Hello everyone. In this video, we will continue with the configuration of the Storage Protect instance that we added in a previous video to our software TKLNM4ISP. So we log in to this instance. As you can see here, the first screen is the dashboard. We see the server name, IP address, administration port, platform, and we see that the license compliance is not valid because it is a new installation. So we click here in the command prompt and we run register the C5 vision PSM licensing. So we are okay. It is a new installation, so we don't have any device classes, libraries. We don't have storage pools. We don't have nodes or policies, just the standard policy domain that comes with a new installation of TSM. So we start adding library. We have two libraries in this server. It's a SCSI library. We can choose to share this library for LAN-free backup or no. We choose auto-detect the share number and click submit. So the library was defined. You can see it in the console log. So, next step is to add the device class. So we can add, let's say, NSL 4048 device class is LTO. We associate this device class with the library we previously defined. We change mount retention and mount wait to 5 minutes. And we click submit. So now we have a new device class for this library. We continue. We can add the library path. Our server, source type, library name, device path. Let's see. So we will define the first library. We have two libraries. And we choose auto-detect. Library path is online. We click submit. Library path is okay. We continue with tape drives. We add two tape drives. This library has two tape drives. So this is drive 1. It is online, auto-detect. The cleaning frequency, we leave it as none because we have a cleaning tape in the library. It is auto-clean enabled. So first drives ready. We continue with the second drive. Yes, auto-detect. Okay. And then we will define the drive paths. Again, we choose server type, the library, the drive name, and we need the device path. Auto detect serial number, drive path status on line this, submit, and we continue with a second drive path for the second drive. And the device path is the same, just we replace it with the device path for the second drive. Auto detect yes, drive path start yes, and click submit. So now our device is library is ready. If we run this, we can see we have a library, we have the drives, the library paths, the drive paths, but this is red because we don't have any device, any volumes. Sorry. So we can audit the library. Okay, and then checking our devices. Go here, storage push, checking library volumes. We choose the library. The volumes are already in the library slots. Choose barcode label, checking as scratch, and as I said, the volumes are already in the library. So we click submit, and the checking process started. You can see here that we have enough volumes. If we run this report again, then we have 42 scratch tapes in the library. Okay. Next step, we can set this device class as the DB recovery device class. So we run this command, set DB recovery, MSL 4048A, sorry, devc. We set the password. And every time the system wants to back up the database, we use this device class. Okay. We can back up the database. We want. We choose the device class, the backup streams, scratch volumes, protect encryption keys, and we click submit. Okay, it started as process 4. We can check here. It's waiting for the volume to mount into the library, into the drive. Sorry. So, if we click on this icon, we can see the activity of the backup server. We have no tape in the drive yet. So you can continue with next steps and wait for the backup to see later if it is okay. We are going to create a storage pool. So we go here, add storage pool, It's a primary storage pool on LTO. Storage pool type, primary sequential access storage pool. Okay. Device name max scratch, let's say 100. Collocation, we don't want collocation. And we change this to 100. We don't want reclamation to take place in random times, but when we schedule it with the maintenance script and the administrative schedule. Reuse delay, we can set it to 2 days. Okay, and we are ready. We have a storage pool. Besides the default archive pool and backup pool that comes with the installation of the TSM server, we have our new storage pool. It is ready for use. And we will define another storage pool. Let's say TC pool 01, directory container pool. And we choose directory container primary storage pool. Reuse delay, we set it to days. Encrypt, yes. Compression, yes. We don't want next storage pool. Or we can set the previously defined storage pool on LTO library. We click submit. And we have a new directory container storage pool. We can use the command line to add stitchable directories. So define a stitchable directory. We can use the help to see the syntax. DC pool 01, our storage pool, the directory names are DC pool 01, 02, 3, and 4. So now we have a storage pool. DC pool 01, and this is the DC pool directories. So you can check the database backup. It seems that it has finished. We can check it. Full database backup, process 4 completed. It isn't actually. So we have a primary storage pool on LTO, a primary storage pool directory container storage pool. We define the SDC pool directories, and of course we should add another storage pool that directory container pool, a local copy storage pool for the directory container pool. Let's name it copy DC pool 01, and the description is copy container storage pool, storage pool type, copy container storage pool, device class, max scratch, let's say 100, protect process 2, we have 2 drives, and delay to set to days. Click submit, and we have another storage pool where later in the maintenance script we will set it to backup directory container storage pool to copy container storage pool. This is the newly created storage pool. So we can see that we don't have any domains except the standard domains. We will create a new backup policy. Let's say LNX policy domain with the Linux servers. And leave the default to 30 days and 365 days. We define a new policy set, LNX PS, a new management class, and a description for the management class, maybe. We assign as the default management class. We choose directory container pool 01. Version exists, no limit. And let's say 31 days. Versions deleted. If a file is deleted from the server, then we will keep it the last 2 versions for 60 days. And for the archive pool, we can choose the library. And we click submit. Okay, those are the commands that we send to the server, and those are the results. So now we have a policy domain, LNXPD for the backup and for the archives. And we can add a node. We don't have any nodes yet, as we can see here. So we click client node add. We choose the name LNX SRV01 and we type the password. We choose the policy domain. It's an LNX server, so we assign to the LNX policy domain, user ID none, password expiration never, session security is transitional. We can set backup edit yes to no, we leave it no, mount points to transaction group size if we don't have any client option set to assign. Compression, no, we compress the objects on the directory container pool. And we leave all the other options to default and click submit. So we now have a server, a client. Yeah, we click here because In these options, we see only servers that have backups. Click all nodes, we have the LNX server 01. Okay. We don't know yet the platform, the OS level, or the client version because we didn't set up yet the client software. And we can add a schedule for this server. We choose LNXPD. Let's name it LNX daily incremental. Description, Linux servers, not every day at 12 at 8 o'clock. It's incremental backup. Starts at 8 o'clock every day. And then we choose the schedule type. We can choose classic schedule style or enhanced. We need it every day. We don't want something else. So we click submit. And we have a schedule. And now we can associate this schedule with a previously defined server. So we choose LNX incremental, and we click here, we choose LNX server, and we click submit. So we have a schedule, we have a node, we have the policy, and when we set up the client, then we can back it up. In the next video, we will see how to install TSM client on a Linux server, how to backup, how to restore, and we will create an admin schedule that will execute every day server script that protects the database of the TSM server, runs expiration, etc. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.